Ladies and gentlemen, there is 35 cameras there, one candle for each victim of the 1953 flood. And we just paid our respects to them all, and at least we not forget them, because each candle represents a life. And they will be left here just to burn out as we think of each one of the people that lost their lives that day. Amen. Let the candles burn. Let the light shine them on. And here is the plaque for them all, ladies and gentlemen. This tablet is erected to the memory of the people of Jaywick Sands who perished to the flood on February the 1st. And these are all the people that perished that day. And there is a candle lit for them right now. Each name you see on this board, there is a candle for them burning right now. And there is the people that passed away. And there is the candles for them. Let the light shine for them, ladies and gentlemen.